To make How Hacks videos more interesting, we are starting a new section, that is Riddle Time. So how does this work? Basically, on every video of mine, I will be asking a riddle and the answer to that riddle will be given in the upcoming video. For those of y'all who would like to be a part of this Riddle Time, what y'all can do is y'all can give your answers, leave your answers in the comments section, and the first person who has given the correct answer, their name will also be mentioned on my next video. Do enjoy the content, do enjoy the time of riddle, and do keep coming to watch more videos. I'm sure many of us carry sanitizers along with us wherever we go. This is not something new, this has been on for some time. However, the most annoying thing is when you keep sanitizers in your bag or in your pocket, what you have to do is, if your hands are dirty or infected, you actually have to go into your purse, into your bag and remove the sanitizer. So today I will show you a simple hack in which we can have our sanitizer bottles hanging outside our bag so that we would not have to go with dirty or infected hands into our bag trying to remove the sanitizer. How is this done is what I'm going to show you shortly. Let me give you the first riddle. What has an app but does not use it? I'll repeat it. What has an app but does not use it? Do send in your comments and let me know what is the answer, and I'll ensure to mention the name of the first person who comes up with the correct answer in my next video. Now we'll begin with the hack. You'll need a reusable sanitizer bottle, string, nylon string I'm using here, scissor, and keep tape handy in case if you might need it. First thing we'll do is measure the length of the sanitizer bottle, how much we need the string to be. Now here I already have cut strings, so the length of this cut strings that I have is 4 times the length of the sanitizer bottle. From the place where we unscrew the bottle till the bottom of this sanitizer bottle, you will take 4 times the length of this sanitizer bottle. Now here I have taken a nylon thread. Y'all can also take cotton thread, which I would advise is better than the nylon. What I'm doing over here is the end of this nylon thread, I'm trying to seal it up so that it might not loosen up on the ends and form into tiny roots of these threads. Also remember, sanitizer and fire are very good friends, so please keep distance when you're using the sanitizer bottle near the fire. Now what I'll do is, taking one of the threads, I will hold it into 2 equal halves and put the folded end of the thread around the neck of the bottle. Then holding the neck like you would hold a tie, I will make a U shape, U bend on the other side, on my left hand side, and then I will turn that to form a circle over the place where I was holding. Over that I'll form a circle. Then I'll take the open end of the thread from underneath and pull it out from the circle. This is basically a loop knot, and we will be using this knot throughout the full video for what we are doing. Now I'll take another thread. This thread I will not use, I will not require, that is for hanging. Now I'll make use of another thread. I will fold it into 2 equal halves like this, as you see, and the bent portion of this thread I will pass it from top of the neck side, what I have tied, what I just tied some time back, the neck side loop. I will pass it from the top of it in this way and pull it out from underneath of that thread, as you can see here. And then the open end of this thread, I will put it in between of the loop in this way and pull the thread to form a secure knot. So the same thing I will do with another thread. I'm going to take the thread which I folded into equal parts and put the bent portion from the top and pull it out in this way. So I'll require for a small sanitizer bottle like this 3 threads. One would be for hanging and 2 would be for making the hanging portion, the body of this bottle, to hold the body of this bottle. This kind of tying of the bottle to make the holder, this form is called macrame. They make a lot of things out of it. Same like you would make use of knitting or crochet. The same way they use macrame to make different kind of things. Now what am I doing is holding the 2 corner threads from the front. I will tie a side wards knot. The knot will be the same thing what I showed earlier, but only thing it will be facing on the sideways. So ensure that the first knotted thread you will not use it at all, because that will go for hanging the bottle. And in the same way what I showed you all, the knot that I did earlier, the same way I will follow and do the loop knot in this way. And likewise you will continue doing this on the other side of the bottle as well. Secure the knot tightly. The same process I'll follow on the other side word of the bottle. Make a knot in this way and carry forward doing the same thing. Once we are done with the side knots, we will again move to the center knotting. The knotting method is the same that I showed you, the loop knot, and only difference is it will come in the center this time. The same I'll do on the other side. Likewise you'll keep on continuing till you reach this end of the bottle. Once you're done with the knotting, what you'll do is these strands that are there, y'all can hold it together, and with one of the threads, if y'all want, you can turn it around and form a knot. However, if you want a more secure knot, which I don't advise this is suitable, because it could come out anytime unless you're going to put a glue and attach it together. This is with the knot that I have tied from the existing thread itself. If not, just take another thread and form a loop knot in this way. This is a loop knot, the same thing that we have been doing, and you can instead use this loop knot to hold all these threads together securely. This is what I prefer. It's totally up to y'all how y'all want to secure the end portion with the knot. Once you have done the knotting, you may cut all the portions of the ending threads to look equal and neat. So you can just trim it accordingly so that all are of the same length. Now this is how it's going to look whilst hanging. Just to let you know, since we have left the hanging thread longer, I'm going to tie a loop knot to make a design. Not many, only 3 loop knots I will tie on this hanging portion of the thread, just so that it will not be too long. And whenever you feel that this thread is spoiled because of hanging, you can always remove or cut off that portion, remove the knot and use the other part. Now what I am showing here is you can use this bottle anywhere whilst hanging. Now this is my kid's bag, and as you can see you have a loop here, so you can hang the sanitizer bottle over here. If not, you can hang it anywhere on the holder like this, or even the place where they have the bag handles to hold it to the back, there also they usually have a loop. You can attach it over there. Now to hang this bottle to this loop that I have on the bag, I'll simply pass this through the hole, and again the same knot that I have been showing you, I will do it on this end portion of the hanging thread. That's it. And once I'm done, this is quite easy. You don't need to go inside the bag, it will be hanging outside the bag. Just open the flap, use the sanitizer, or y'all can even refill it by simply opening the bottle. Wasn't that a cool way of hanging the sanitizer to your bag? It's easy, it's quick, and moreover, it is a safe way so that you can carry a sanitizer with you each and every time. And at the same time, you are not worried about digging through your bag, your pocket, or your pouch trying to get the sanitizer. Do let me know if this hack was useful or not, and also let me know if y'all will be trying to use this method of making the sanitizer holders, hanging holders. Those of y'all who are visiting my channel for the first time, as always, it's a sincere request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it to get notified on all my upcoming videos. If any of y'all have any suggestions or requests, feel free to send us an email, or y'all can even leave us a comment. That's all on How Hacks. I'll see you next time.